Yo, hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another special video guys over here. Welcome from this side. Where is here? We always ask where is here. Here is here. Here is actually in Mombasa area. I'm in Shanzu, Teachers College. I just came to check my sister over here in the morning, but I was like, okay, let me start my video from here, or my vlog from here. Anyway, hope you are well, hope you're okay, hope you're good. Still, our amazing machine is cruising. You know, though today I want to take it to the garage. And also, it's a happy reunion with my family. I arrived here. Actually, let me give you a short story about how everything is. But before that, and show some love by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, because that's the best way, and it is the best moments actually to celebrate this guy CJ. Actually, I think I should be in the book of Guinness record, I think, something like that, because I really spent like less than 16 hours from the village, that is Migori County, Nisbania, Nyabohanse village, to Mombasa town, Bamburi area, actually in Bamburi, in less than 16 hours, because I started my journey at 3 a.m. in the morning from my village there, and then by a time like 10 I was already in Nairobi, Kenya. By the time of 10 I was already in Nairobi, Kenya. So I was like, no, I don't need for me to sleep in Nairobi, Kenya. Let me just use the other remaining hours to travel to Mombasa area. And actually I arrived in Mombasa, you know. So that was the short story. And from home to Nairobi was 444 kilometers. Then from Nairobi to Mombasa was over 400 subscribers. That means I spent over 1,000 kilometers, or almost 1,000 kilometers from the village to this side. But still, I recognize this. Even if one day I die, this motorbike will be have broken the record. Anyway, show some love, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, and that's the best way. So we want to be rushing, or we want to be driving through this amazing road. It's called Mombasa, is it Cliffy Way, something like that. So we want to be driving back to Bamburi, and I want to be showing you how amazing this road is being actually prepared, or is being made. So show some love, and let's see you there as we prepare for eating our family. All right. this is the amazing Bamburi. So let's check and see. I wanna just go check Mahamri first home. They wanna come back for service. Okay? Okay. Alipana gani? Yeah guys, it was early morning, but the most funniest thing is nobody was awake. There's a school over here. They're at games time. They're going to play football. So the mechanic who usually make my motorbike wasn't around, so I have to go right now and check on him so that we can check on what's happening, because it's what we call like service day. Let me just take it to see, because our motorbike really done a very great job. So yeah, let me go back and we see. Okay. Yep, my beautiful people, my great people, we are around here. We are in the beautiful Bamburi area, actually a place known as Kiembeni, and I'm at the garage. So the mechanic has gone for a test just to recognize what's wrong with the motorbike, so that I can also come and explain my problem, how I'm feeling and how the motorbike is feeling. So let's try and see and check how everything is. So this is the beautiful garage over here, and it's service day, you know. And also I want to be taking you around over this beautiful place over here. It's called Fairfield Academy Day and Boarding. It's so windy and also very sunny over here, but we thank God for the gift of life. These are the most ample system over here that we are having. So from here I'll be taking you around so that we can be checking what's happening. This video won't be so long, but just to try and see how everything is. So let's wait and see. People are just roaring in big machines, because I know my motorbike, oh man, it's really done a very great job actually. It's coming. Nakisikia? Nakisikia? Hiyo side moja. Inavuta side moja? Inavuta side moja, alafu sijui oil tutabadilisha. Oil lazima badilishwe, juu haina cooling. Si ndio? Unajua imetoka Migori. Hadi hapa. So nafaa tubadilishe oil. Sababu ni cleaner, air cleaner, oil badilisha. Na hiyo kuvuta sehemu moja. Kuvuta hizo na wiring nafikiri nasumbua. Afuta nifungia kadude sababu kungoa mabonde. Oil ya mwisho nilibadilisha ilikuwa malili. Nimesikia hiyo cooling, nikasema hapa. Hapa kazi clutch. Simamisha katikati. Unajua si gari ingekuwa ni shida clutch plate. Haingesonga. Lakini hiyo cooling nikajua tu hapa oil imegeuka maji. Sawa. So guys, the mechanic said the oil and also it's pulling one side, which means ile kugonga gonga kwenye mabonde eti. So we are really Nin?
Bearings, easy bearings.
Bearings.
Maybe the collision.
So, so let's try and see and wait to see. This machine, even everybody is so surprised, like, wow man, did you come really from Migori County to this place with this motorbike? Everybody is surprised. Actually, I spent like less than 16 hours to reach here. I started my journey at 3 a.m. and arrived here at 9:55. You know? So, which is very incredible and crazy. Let's wait and see how it is. The machine that everybody is just surprised, like how did it even? I know I took a very worst risk, but man, I was just so stressed up, and things were very crazy.
No money.
Hey, kamefunguka. Hey, haya ile. Tuilete juu.
Alisha hoteli bwana.
Bwana ndani hoteli, hata umesikia yote. Kama mwenye alikuwa anaanza bwana, hajaanza siku. Sababu unajua labda hivyo kuna kimbia na jikaza pia. Guys, we are actually doing the service, so let's check on the oil, how the oil looks like. Service day actually. So we wanna check.
Hata hiyo challenge nitakuja kujaribu. Unaona Wakenya wamezidi na hiyo challenge ya kwenda mbali. Potea tu jamaa nasikia kama ametoka na ndudi
hapa South Africa.
South Africa. Lakini pia ni ganji.
Service njiani. Tunasikia hata kanachemka sana na imetoka tu hapo nini? Mwisho wa kabla. Kanachemka kuchemka. Oil ilikuwa imeshangaza. Yes, the oil was very crazy and dirty. Even so our motorbike is dirty now. Unajua hata asubuhi kuwasha ilikuwa ni shida. Kuwasha asubuhi inasumbua. Ngoja ni
hard start.
So let's just try and do a little bit by service and then we check on how it is all around. So also the steering was crazy, it was disturbing, so it's full service today. And we are in this most have you seen that motorbike? The stars one there, but this one huko. So just making it so that we can check. So amazing. So great to be around actually, you know. That's you know, the best thing is a mechanic who understands his work or her work is better than somebody who tell you, what do you think? Not like me, I've been doing what you call like listening to it. Okay. Nibane tena. Bado. Niko sawa.
Umeenda sana.
Oh, okay.
Sasa kuelekezwa.
Okay. Saying it has to be loosened a little bit so we can achieve. That's what I told you. mechanic who understands it very well to tell you everything, which is a very good mechanic actually. We are in Kiambeni over here. Around very nice. What kuzungusha huko chini kusema kwa ndo nini hicho sasa?
Hiyo ni sun greasing.
Okay. So we have to also to do greasing on our motorbike. But it's really tried very, very much. Have to do the pulling down. Yay. In corners, you just push in corners. Hadi vumbi iliyopita huku Mariakani kwa jengo huko shida. Na trailer yanapita kupita. Check. We are doing this. So this motorbike, its battery is really different because it's for King Bossy, the Tanzanian bikes, because the original battery got spoiled, so I decided to put this one. But soon I'll buy its original battery. So for now, they want to do what we call like to change the air cleaner, do everything, filter, the oil filter and everything, so we can see how it will be. Yeah, baby. Unaweza nunua kingine?
Pale Shell. Labda ulizie pale Shell kama tunaweza ipata au kupenda. Acha kwanza nitoe tuone sasa.
Guys, our filter just Charibi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I think my phone is ringing. I don't know. It's fine.
Yeah.
How are you?
I can see you are just fixing something.
Yeah, I just came for service. A little by little, so that our machine can just be on our. You know, maintaining is better than that, like just fixing it.
Yeah.
How is Mombasa?
Mombasa is good.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time. Yeah. I can see that you use this motorbike to reach in Mombasa.
Yes. Yeah, in less than 16 hours.
The first person to ride from Hispania
to this
up
end.
to this side in Mombasa. Yeah.
I broke the record.
Yeah, you broke the record.
I'm supposed to be on the Guinness Book.
Yeah.
I took the biggest risk, but anyway, we give thanks to Almighty God. We arrived safely, and our baby machine is under maintenance.
I can see it's still shining.
Yeah, for it's a must. We might have to put it for its better efficiency.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so it's better to treat it. You know, if you don't maintain even your body,
of course,
you'll be like the way you want to be.
Yeah, I feel good to see you.
Yeah, man, I'm happy, man.
In Mombasa again. Yeah.
You know, you've just surprised me like, where's this guy? I just told him about the garage, and he really understood that this is my best place actually to just prepare this. So I want to just change the filter. The filter is finished. Paka share filter. So guys, I wanna go in Shell. I wanna just go buy this. This is a picky. I wanna just go check this, and then I wanna come back. Well, the filter has been finished. The filter doesn't have anything. Charlie B,
Yeah.
have you knocked out of the office?
No.
Not yet. You're still at work.
You know, I'm boss.
Oh, you're the boss.
Can do anything.
Oh, the boss can go anywhere.
You can go anywhere. I can do anything.
Boss, let's go. So guys, even the filter, the air filter got finished. So I wanna just rush here at Shell, and I wanna just buy the filter over here. So let's try and see how everything is. And hey, I miss this life. So we are going at Shell, guys. So yeah, so we just wanna prepare this and we see how everything is. I'm gonna do coconut I think. Here. Just wanna buy it. No wanna see. Hello. Where is it? Is patai? Wapi? Opposite. Okay. Okay. So let's go the other side. So we wanna check this. It is. Oh. So guys, let's try and see. Oh, I never knew here also they have a garage for motorbikes. But it's also better if you're open. Ule pira ni beshte. Waweze nyofolea vyombo. Unasema wapi? Okay. Oh, automan. Easy bro, easy. Because we are here. Easy. Alright. Let's just go at automan spares. We check. Don't have this, guys. What kind of my motorbike is that, guys? We don't have spare parts over here. Oi! I don't know. Oh my god. I'll just fix it that way because it's just finished.
Now where next?
Let's just go back with them because I don't see any other place that they said this kind of spare parts. Wait, I wish I knew I could have carried my own spare parts from the company. But my motorbike doesn't have spares over here. Hey? All here. Here. That's sasa kazi yako ni geuza. You want to talk? Naongea tu hapo mbele. You man. But sasa nataka ni muhimu. So we are adding new oil. Very clean oil. This one will help. So you see the difference between a clean oil and a dirty oil. So this one is clean. It will boost the efficiency of the engine. So, sema oil ikiwa nyepesi inasumbua. So this is helping the cooling of the motorbike. But this one, this is the oil that we brought from in here. It was kind of dirty, so you can check the difference, guys. Yes, so we are doing this done over here. So we'll see how everything is.
Sasa ule jamaa aliniambia kuna viti zilikam. Kama sasa kwa jamaa sasa. Wewe cheki bia anatoka Java. Unaona sasa kidogo niteke. Ama nikijiweni bro.
Okay, sawa.
Ama nikijiweni.
Hapa ni kijiweni.
Ama nikijiweni.
Sawa.
Yaani mtaya mabulani kwako.
Kazi mtaya kina nani?
Mabulani kwako ni bwana. Mabigwenya wewe unakanga ingine ndio hapa. Unavaa jezi ya Manu. Unapigana na kupigana nayo.
Kazi.
Na Manu kuna game leo sasa. Manu kuna game leo Japan.
Wacha uje.
Nani? Ndio jezi inavaliwaga. Haina siku. Wazeki acha na misa hizi sina kuko na kwara. Mimi naangalia namba 2 namba 3 ama namba 4 hapo nakanga.
Kumbe ushadi mimi. Huwa kama huu.
Unapiga nini?
Huwa kama mimi. Defending champions.
Wa nini?
Ujui? Nikuelezee. Bana mimi sina time ya kukuelezea vitu yenye mimi nachukua.
Wewe hii ndio mambo, wewe sio.
Nani?
Wewe sio.
Liverpool inje. Tottenham inje.
Mama Esther.
Chelsea inje.
Mama Esther.
The only big team in the world. And then part of the way.
Tunacheza game nyingi. VPN.
Watafunga. Sawa.
Imetoka Nyanza imeingia kwa mkono ya Sparta. Imetoka kwa jamaa Kiboswa. Imeshika jamaa Kiboswa.
Mwana toka Kiboso huko wanashika pikipiki imetoka Migoni.
Bato.
Ya Mungu. Meja, ulisema anatoka wapi huyo?
Bato hata Yesu alifukuzwa.
Kajuru.
Bato hata Yesu alifukuzwa kwao.
Anasema anatoka Kajuru.
Nani? Kajuru ni kwa kina Meja, hata nenda natoka.
Natoka mjini kasi super tech brother.
Ni wa Kajuru. Unataka kukimbia kwa. Sema hivi unataka kutoroka.
Meja anatoroka huko.
Yaani mtu anakataa tu kwenye. Nani kwenye? Na wengine wanaona.
Wewe Sparta. Nakuulizaje? Wewe kwetu unapajua? Wewe unapita kwetu ukienda kwenu.
Tena mbali.
Rodi.
Anapita hapa kienda.
Akienda tena ndienda apande ferry.
Sinakwambia yeye anaenda mbali.
Baya sana.
Yeye anaenda mbali kabisa.
Kama anaenda kafaa.
Anaacha watu town. Unaenda.
Hata tunachukua achukue ferry. Wazee. Tena achape hiyo ferry kama base kama kutoka hapa mpaka tuseme mpaka Malindi. Hiyo tena ametoka Kisumu tayari tao amepita kwetu. Hata afika kitao Kisumu. Hata kitao Kisumu na kala.
Kitao.
Wewe na center ya kwetu mwenyewe ni ajui. Hiyo center ya kwetu
wakati moro.